On a solo walk, every step is a conversation with the heart. Leave the hustle and bustle behind. Let the mountain breeze wash away impatience. And let the silence settle the soul. There is no need for a destination. Go with your heart, getting lost is scenery. And solitude is freedom. The road under your feet may be rugged, but it lets you hear the drumbeat of your heartbeat. The vastness of the wilderness is small. But it teaches you to embrace your true self. The world is a mirror. Only when you walk alone can you see the clearest reflection.